Hello traders, welcome to my YouTube channel Agile Trading. So now let me show you today's date and time. So today is 4th of November 2020 and currently time is 9:39 am. Traders, we have taken our entry in Hindalco today and you can see it is now currently moving near our cost price because we have taken a trade just a minute ago. You can see here at 9:37 am. So now what we have to do is that we will place our target and our stop loss. So our target is for 182.35 and our stop loss is for 175.55. Okay traders, so our target and stop loss has been placed. So now we will wait for our target or stop loss to get triggered, and if we can see some opportunity for trailing our stop loss, we will do that as well. Okay, so now I'm pausing the video, and when it will show some momentum I will update you. So traders, here is a quick update of our today's trade. You can see here that our stop loss got survived by just few points only. So and it also just reversed from our stop loss. So price is currently spending time near our cost price. So traders, I am thinking to trail my stop loss to protect our capital. Okay traders, so I am trailing it till here. So let me modify it. Okay traders, so we have now trailed our stop loss and I will update you after some time when anything or target or stop loss got triggered. So traders, our stop loss, which was our trailed stop loss, got triggered here at somewhere 12:55 p.m. Okay, so this was our today's trade and we have booked our loss today. So let's calculate our today's loss. So the stop loss points were 1.75 and our quantities were 30. So our today's total loss is 52.5 rupees. Okay traders, so this was our today's trade. Hope you learned something from this video and enjoyed it. So thank you for watching the video and have a good day.